In our last video, we had just finished a day of touring the Strip and eating poke bowls for dinner. Since this was our final night in Vegas, we wanted to go out and experience the city's nightlife. We headed north to Fremont Street in old downtown Las Vegas. It was actually this area, not the Strip, where the first casino in Vegas legally opened in the 1930s. Thousands of young working-age men had come to work on the Hoover Dam's construction, and young working-age men equals a high demand for entertainment. Once the dam was finished, the electricity it generated was used to light up the street, so much so that it was nicknamed the Glitter Gulch. Here is where it all started, the original source of the flashing marquee lights that are just so iconically, quintessentially Vegas. Decades later, some things have changed. Cars can no longer drive on this road. It is a pedestrian-only mall. If you look up, you will not see the starry night sky, but instead the world's largest single video screen. There's a light show synced to music every hour, but honestly, I didn't find the graphics to be all that exceptional or relevant. The one thing that I do think has stayed the same on Fremont Street is that feeling of energy, excitement, and a bit of lawlessness. Visitors still stagger along the streets with open drinks in hand, and while I didn't know any obvious women of the night, there were plenty of buskers present with talents that range from rhythmic drumming to just standing there in near nudity. It definitely still has that adult-only playground vibe that Vegas has been famous for.
Hey guys, we're at the Fremont Street Experience, which is in downtown Las Vegas. Here we are at Container Park. There's the praying mantis with flames for antennae. Got some music in there. Back in there's where it gets really loud and crazy. And then this way, still some casinos, but a little bit more quiet.
After Fremont Street, there was one last night show that I wanted to see on the Strip, the eruption of the Mirage Volcano. The show is only a few minutes long on the hour, so we rushed to make it there on time. The Mirage Volcano was interesting, but I wish we had been closer, and I did find the display very repetitive overall. We took in the lights at Treasure Island, stopped for even more bubble tea, and called it a night.
We're back here getting some milk tea. Back at the Fashion Show Mall. This is why we probably went over budget today. But we're tired, it's necessary, and we need a treat. We ran. I made him run to watch the volcano show, and then I lost this, and then he found it on the ground. My hero! How's the Thai tea?
Pretty good. Nice way to end the night. It has that pretty strong Thai tea.
It's just refreshing.
How was it?
It's refreshing too, but after drinking that, it's like not sweet. Still good though, it's like a juice. It's the strawberry lemonade green tea. got some real fruit in the bottom. Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, good.